In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook not receiving emails. If messages aren't arriving in your inbox, the most common cause is that Outlook is set to work offline, or the app simply needs a quick restart. We'll walk through both of these fixes calmly and clearly so you can get back to your day without missing important mail. First, make sure you're online inside Outlook. Look down at the bottom right corner of the Outlook window. That little status area tells you exactly what Outlook is doing. If you see the words "working offline," Outlook is intentionally disconnected and won't pull in new messages. This can happen accidentally with a single click or keyboard shortcut, so it's worth checking before trying anything more involved. To turn that off, go to the Send/Receive tab at the top of Outlook. There, you'll find a button labeled Work Offline. Click it once to toggle the offline mode off. When it's off, the status in the bottom right should update within a few seconds, indicating that Outlook is connected again. You might also notice the Work Offline button no longer appears selected. Give it a moment, and Outlook should start syncing your mailbox and fetching any emails that were waiting. If the status doesn't say Working Offline, or if you've turned it off and mail still isn't arriving, the next step is a simple restart. Start by closing Outlook completely. Make sure it's fully quit and not just minimized. Waiting 10 to 15 seconds before reopening can help clear temporary glitches. Open Outlook again and watch the bottom right status. It should show that it's connecting and then syncing. Sometimes, this alone gets everything flowing again. If reopening Outlook doesn't do the trick, restart your computer. Save any open work first, then perform a full restart rather than just putting the device to sleep. A fresh boot resets background services that Outlook relies on